United Forum of Bank Unions, the unions of nine five workmen and four officers organizations have given a call for 2 days strike on 30th and 31st to demand respectable wage rise and also wage revision up to scale 7. All the bipartite settlements have taken place up to 7 scale, whereas now the management is trying to divide the officers and the staff, saying that what you can say they will settle the wage revision up to scale 3. So we oppose that. We also oppose the mere rise what they have given of 2%, which is not commensurate with the trend which is there in the industries, in the government sector, hence this 2 days strike. If we are not able to get results from this 2 days strike, the United Forum of Bank Unions will take call to go on an indefinite strike. So all the banks in Goa, public sector banks specifically, are closed and all are striking. All over India this strike is there. And we apologize to the customers of the banking industry for the inconvenience that have caused to them, but it was our last resort that we had to, what you can say, take these steps. Otherwise, the management does not, what you can say, give any response to the just demand of the United Forum of Bank Unions.
On account of the call given by the United Forum Bank Union, as he has rightly said, we were forced to go on strike because of the total insensitivity on the part of the bankers, IBA, as well as the government. Our settlement is due from November 2017. We have submitted our charter of demand in May 2017, but since then there has not been any meaningful discussion or negotiation with the IBA. We personally feel that this is a deliberate mischief that is being played by the IBA and the government. The first hurdle is the mandate. Every bank is supposed to give mandate to IBA. Now, mandate in some of the cases, as he has said, in case of officer, they have given up to scale 3. On one side, the government says finalize the settlement, telling IBA, these are the banks of the government. Government can give a direction to the banks and say, Baba, give the mandate to IBA and discuss. But this is not being done. This is a deliberate mischief that is being played. The 2% offer what is given, we consider is an insult. See, over the period of time, there is a lot of pressure on the bank employees. There is a lot of work that has come up. Our job profile has changed. Our responsibility has changed. Our risk has gone up. So commensurate with that, we should be duly compensated. Even comparable salary with the other class also we are much low. We are asking a reasonable rise which can compensate the pressure that we are going through. We expect the government, we expect the IBA to come forward. Otherwise, we will be forced to intensify our education. There may be a strike call. Of course, we are aware of our concern to our customers, but with all said and done, we will have to move forward because on the part of the IBA, on the part of the government, there is neither a grace nor any justification, and this deliberate denial is deliberate attempt to provoke us. So we appeal to the public to understand the reason why we are going. This is justified demand that we have raised with the bankers and with the government, and we expect a reasonable settlement to be finalized as soon as possible.